Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi A4 wing mirror glass. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool and the new mirror glass. Ensure your vehicle is turned off and the mirror is in a neutral position before you begin. Understanding the attachment type, whether clips or a backing plate, will make the process smoother. This preparation is key for a successful replacement. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Gently insert your trim removal tool behind the glass, applying even pressure to release it from the housing. Be cautious to avoid cracking the glass further. Once loose, carefully disconnect any electrical wires attached to the back for heating or dimming features. Take a moment to inspect the mirror housing for any damage before proceeding. With the old glass removed, it's time for the new one. First, reattach any electrical connectors to the corresponding terminals on the back of your new mirror glass. Ensure they are firmly seated. Next, carefully align the new mirror glass with the mounting clips or backing plate in the mirror housing. Apply gentle, even pressure to the center of the glass until it clicks securely into position. After installation, perform a few final checks. Turn on your vehicle and test the mirror's adjustment using the interior controls. If applicable, verify that the heating or auto-dimming functions are working correctly. Finally, give the new mirror glass a good clean with a soft cloth and ensure it is firmly seated without any wobbling. You've successfully replaced your Audi A4 wing mirror glass.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.